Maldives Zakat House was established with the mandate to collect, manage, and distribute zakat in a manner that upholds the principles of Islamic Sharia while ensuring meaningful and lasting social impact. Beyond direct distribution of beneficiaries, one of its core responsibilities is to develop and grow Zakat Fund and to determine and publish the fundamental criteria for investments made by the fund. This responsibility reflects the institution's vision of preserving zakat capital, creating sustainable income streams, and ensuring that zakat continues to serve as a source of empowerment for the community. Maldives Zakat House embarked on its first ever investment initiatives, making a historic milestone in fulfilling this mandate. For the first time, zakat funds are being directed towards strategic Waqf development, the Darul Arqam and Darus Salam projects, which are currently in their initial stages. Once completed, these investments are expected to preserve zakat capital while generating continuous income to strengthen zakat distribution and social welfare programs across the Maldives. The Darul Arqam Waqf project is projected to generate an annual gross income of over 11.89 million rupiah, with profits estimated at 5.6 million rupiah. During the financing tenure of 15 years, Maldives Zakat House will receive 30% of this profit, amounting to about 1.6 million rupiah annually. After the financing period, Darul Arqam is expected to provide a stable income of 2.16 million rupiah directly to the Zakat Fund. The Darus Salam Waqf project is projected to deliver even greater returns, with the projected annual gross income exceeding 73.6 million rupiah and profits of 27.58 million rupiah. From this, Maldives Zakat House will receive 30%, around 8.27 million rupiah annually. Following this period, the project is expected to yield a steady annual income of 13.1 million rupiah for the Zakat Fund. To guide and oversee these initiatives, Maldives Zakat House and Zakat Council established the Zakat Investment Advisory Committee on 30th June 2025. The committee has already contributed valuable insights, particularly in shaping the Zakat Nafa program, which aims to help registered beneficiaries of poor and needy registry develop sustainable income-generating opportunities. Looking forward, Maldives Zakat House plans to expand its role in responsible investment by introducing Al-Qarl Al-Hasan loans funded through Zakat. These interest-free loans, fully aligned with Islamic Sharia, will empower beneficiaries with access to capital, helping them to pursue opportunities and achieve lasting improvements in their livelihoods. Through these groundbreaking initiatives, Darul Arqam, Darus Salam, the Zakat Nafa program, and forthcoming Al-Qarl Al-Hasan financing, Maldives Zakat House is laying the foundations for a stronger, more sustainable future. That transforming zakat into a source of empowerment, dignity, and development, it is fulfilling its mandate to safeguard the fund and ensure the zakat continues to create meaningful and lasting impact for the communities across the Maldives. These efforts also reaffirm the role of zakat as a vital instrument of social justice in reducing inequality, supporting the most vulnerable, and fostering a fairer and more compassionate society.